Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the mechanism of fibrinolysis. The process of blood coagulation automatically initiates the anti-clotting mechanism so that the intravascular clot does not spread beyond the site of injury. The fibrinolysis occurs in three steps: activation of protein C, activation of plasmin, and fibrinolysis. First, activation of protein C. The thrombin, which is produced by clotting mechanism, act as an enzyme to activate protein C to its active form. Thrombin, which is produced by clotting mechanism, act as an enzyme to activate protein C to its active form. The anti-clotting mechanism activated by thrombin can also be initiated by thrombomodulin, a hormone secreted from endothelial cells of blood vessels. The thrombomodulin activates protein C. Okay guys, the anti-clotting mechanism activated by thrombin can also be initiated by thrombomodulin, a hormone secreted from the endothelial cells of blood vessels. The thrombomodulin activates protein C. Next, activation of plasmin. The activated protein C inactivates the inhibitors of plasmin. Activated protein C inactivates the inhibitors of plasmin activator. This in turn activates plasminogen activator. Which promotes formation of plasmin from plasminogen. Activated protein C along with its cofactor protein S also inactivates 5A and 8A into their respective inactive forms. Activated protein C along with its cofactor protein S also inactivates the factor 5 and 8 into their respective inactive forms. This aids in prevention of coagulation. Next, fibrinolysis. The plasmin acts as an enzyme to cause fibrinolysis, lysis of clot. This process is facilitated by cofactors. This fibrinolysis process is facilitated by cofactors thrombin, tissue type plasminogen activator, and urokinase type plasminogen activator, and fibrin is degraded by plasmin to fibrin degraded products. Okay. This vascular endothelium releases the thrombomodulin. Okay. This and the thrombin generated from clotting process of mechanism along with the thrombomodulin activates the protein C from inactivated protein C to activated protein C. Okay, this activated protein C along with protein S activates the plasminogen activator. This plasminogen activator converts the plasminogen into plasmin. Okay guys, this plasmin causes the fibrinolysis. Fibrinolysis clot lysis rise to fibrin degradation product. Okay, and this plasmin is the fibrinolysis process is accelerated by thrombin. Okay guys, when you see here, this activated protein C inactivates the factor 5 and factor 8. This inhibits the intrinsic mechanism of clotting. Okay guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. In next video we are going to learn about the functions of plasmin. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.